The letter I looks easy, not necessarily so easy. Let's make our 4 spaces. 1, 2, again for the 9 millionth time. These should be really, really light. I am drawing them much darker than they should be for the sake of the video. Now, an eye has a leg, as I call it, that goes through the exact center. So what do we do with that? Sort of tricky. Now, here's what we can do. We have to line up the block so that it falls on the center line, right? Halfway on the center line. So what we could do is we can eye it, which, if you trust yourself to do, that's great. I trust myself to do that. Or if you really, really want to, you can use the centimeter side of my ruler, not counting, of course, the beginning, which is like nothing. And if you line it up, you'll notice that the block is like almost exactly 2 centimeters. It's a tiny drop smaller. So I'm just going to make a mark at the 1 centimeter because it's like really, really, really right there. And now, the trick with this is, now, please make this line light. Please, please, please. In order to really see and line up, you'd have to extend the line. So I'm going to stand up here. Now, in the video, it's not going to look correct, and that just has to do with the angle of the camera. But to me, these look pretty lined up. Now, if you want, you could trace the block all the way down. But, how do we ensure that the line that we are making is parallel? We use the T-square. So I'm going to hook my T-square to my paper and draw a line down. And I'm going to do that again. Make sure the T-square is sort of hooked on the bottom. Now this looks really crazy because I have many, many lines here. So I'm going to erase that long center line that I extended. And it's a little tiny bit off, but I mean, it's pretty darn close. So now is the easy part. You're going to line up your block on your top guideline and trace across. If you want to, which I find helpful, you're going to skip over that center space we just made. So now I don't have to erase it. But here is a perfect letter T. My dog is snoring, so cute. Now, if you wanted the T, you would erase out these 2 lines, which, I mean, we can erase anyway if you're going to continue on to watch the I, which, I mean, the I you've probably figured out. There's a T, I need to use a ruler and extend that up. Okay, and here's a T. Yay for T. Don't erase this right guideline because you want to use it to set up your next letter. Now, if you want an I, you're going to line up with the bottom guideline, trace across, clean this out, and there you have an I.